going to be recreating this look right here that Kylie Jenner posted on her Instagram the other day, but I'm gonna do it with only drugstore products, and all of them are $15 and under, so really affordable if you guys want to achieve the look, but you know, affordable Kylie Jenner look, because not all of us can afford, you know, high-end products. So if you guys want to see how I'm gonna transform myself from this to this, then please keep on watching. So first I'm gonna be applying my moisturizer. I'm gonna be applying my CeraVe moisturizing cream, and this is a travel size, so it's not the regular price, but I'll check. I got it from Walmart, so I'll check and I'll list down below how much it is. So next I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the shade ash brown. So it's this one, looks like this, and it has like a triangle kind of shape. I like this pencil because like you do your brows so fast. So to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige, but this one is the matte one. I like it better to like clean up my brows and also to like prime my eyes. This one's my fave. So next I'm going to use my favorite concealer brush, and it's from Real Techniques, and it's the Expert Concealer Brush to apply my concealer on my lid. Okay, so now that our eyes have a nice base, I'm gonna move on to, of course, doing the eyes, and I'm gonna be using this Profusion eyeshadow palette. It's called the Gold Rush. It's a very nice palette for fall. This is how it looks, and I'm probably only gonna be using this shade right here, which is called Busy Bee, because her eyeshadow on the picture looks very just like yellowy, and that's pretty much it. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna just take a blending brush, and I'm gonna take that yellow shade. Just make sure that your eyes are not creased, and I'm just gonna start patting it, and then I'll start blending. You can see this palette, it's so pigmented, and it's only $10 if I'm not mistaken at Walmart. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna leave up here a link to another video that I did using this palette, but let me know if you guys want to see more videos using this palette, and I will film those for you guys. So yeah, that eyeshadow palette has a little bit of fallow, but as long as you do your base after the eye makeup, you should be good. So for my pink liner, I'm gonna be using this Milani Fruit Fetish eyeliner in the pinker the berry. And this one, I think it's a little shiny, but it's the only pink liner that I have. gonna try and work with it. So I'm gonna be using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. The only reason I'm gonna add it to this video is because it's currently like 10 bucks in BH Cosmetics website, because at Ulta it's like $20, yeah. So I'm gonna be diving into this shade right here and just set the liner that I applied. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already applied my eyelashes and you can barely tell about the liner, but it's okay. We'll apply more later. Next, I'm gonna be priming my face, and I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer, but I'm using the matte one. I love this one. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, but I'm using the dewy one for today. I really rather use this one than the matte one. I don't know why, but I like it better. And I feel like this one's a really good dupe for the Rare Beauty foundation. They kind of smell the same and it feels the same on the face. And it's dewy like the Rare Beauty one, so I will have to test it out more to see if it does feel like, I know I look crazy. And by the way, I'm using the shade Golden Beige, and I'm gonna be using the Nasani Kabari brush, foundation brush, to buff it out, and then I'll use my blender to make sure everything is nicely blended. Kind of feel like this shade's a little too light for me, but we'll fix it with some bronzer. Using the blender now because I think I applied way too much. Definitely need to go like one shade up with this because it's a little too light. But I love how it looks. So next I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. And I'm going to apply a little bit of this just to make the face a little bit more even to my body, you know. I'm just going to apply 2 dots because it's really pigmented. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. Small stipple brush to blend this. My sponge, and I'm just gonna make sure that it's nicely blended. And then for concealer, I'm gonna be using my hydrating camo concealer in the shade medium peach. This was my favorite. Since I tried it, I haven't been able to put it down. But if you guys have like a favorite drugstore concealer that is not this one, please let me know so I can try it out for myself. So I'm going to be using the sponge. To set my face, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Fair Light. Haven't used this one in a while. I've been obsessed with my Wet n Wild one. And I haven't even, used this one. Okay, so now that we set our face, we're gonna move on to bronzing our face, and I'm gonna be using my Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Suntan. It's one of my faves. I was gonna use the butter bronzer, but it's not under $15, so we're gonna go with this one. And this one is just as good. Next, I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild blush, color icon blush in the shade Pinch Me Pink. It's like this. I'm using this very pinkish shade because she had like a very pink blush. This one has a little bit of shimmer to it, but I don't have one that is this shade but it doesn't have shimmer, so this is the one I'm gonna use. I want to look for I've seen that some drugstore brands have come out with liquid blush like Rare Beauty, so I'm gonna try to find one that is as good but affordable, because I love the Rare Beauty ones, but they're not affordable. Just gonna go with telescopic mascara for my lower lashes. She didn't have a lot of highlight on the cheeks. She had a lot of highlight on the center of her face. So I'm gonna be applying my Master Chrome highlight from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, which is this one right here. Set my face first with my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. And for lip liner, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner in Nude 2, which is this one, because she had a very neutral lip liner. So my camera wasn't recording, so I'm just gonna tell you what I did. So I applied my Nudie Peach Liquid Catsuit lipstick to the center of my lips, and then I applied on top the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee because she had a very glossy lip. And yeah, my camera wasn't recording. So yes guys, that's it for this look. I know it's kind of like a summer vibe makeup look, but I really liked it when I saw the Ariel did that makeup look on her. So I just wanted to recreate it, but in an affordable price, so you guys can recreate it as well if you don't have, you know, the budget that she has. But yes, let me know down below if you guys want to see any other celebrities makeup looks, but just in a very, you know, affordable budget, and I will get those up for you guys as well. Or let me know if you want to see more fall makeup looks or one brand makeup tutorials, anything that you guys want to see. Please let me know down below and I will film those for you. And yeah, let me also know down below which affordable products are your favorites at the moment, so I can, you know, purchase them and try them for myself. And yeah, just also let me know down below what you think about this look. I really like it. I think we achieved pretty close look to hers, right? I just don't love this hair very much, but it's okay, we'll work with it. So yes guys, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time that I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one.